Hello everyone, welcome back to ThickShams. In today's video, I will show you how to convert an image to a PDF on your phone. So let's get started. There are two easy ways to do this. Method one is to use an application. Simply open the App Store on your iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and search for image to PDF. And here, download any trusted app and open it. Select the image you want to convert, then tap convert to create PDF. Your PDF file will be ready in a few seconds. Method 2 is use a website. Open your web browser and search for image to PDF. Open a trusted website like I Love PDF. And here, upload the image you want to convert. Then tap convert to PDF. Once the conversion is complete, tap download PDF to save the file to your phone. And that's it. That's how you can convert an image to a PDF on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to ThickShams for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.